Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to get Microsoft rewards. So all you have to do is to go to this site and kindly sign up or log in your Microsoft account. The Microsoft Rewards program is intended for devoted Microsoft customers who favor using the company's services, which go beyond the operating system. As a result, whenever you use a Microsoft product such as Bing, Edge, and Store, you receive Microsoft Rewards points. However, you don't automatically receive these rewards points. Instead, you must enroll in the Microsoft Rewards program, which is this one, before you can start collecting points. It's a clever method to lower the overall cost of future Microsoft purchases and make significant financial savings. So let's just say you just recently signed up for Microsoft Rewards. The question is, how do I earn those points? Is the first query that arises, of course. More importantly, how can you assemble or accumulate them more quickly? There are so many ways on how to earn points. If you're going to click this points breakdown, you can see here other ways on how to get rewards or points. As you can see here, Microsoft bonuses or bonus. All you have to do is to simply search anything using Microsoft Edge. Okay, earn up to 90 points per month. Okay, so all you have to do is to search Bing using Microsoft Edge. So that's how it is. By simply searching using Microsoft Edge, you can earn points and rewards. Also, we have another way on how to earn points. Up to 30 points per day, 3 points per search on PC. You just have to click this one and just search anything here. Okay, so that's how simple it is. So here are several ways to increase the number of reward points in your account. The Microsoft Reward dashboard will display a number of activities when you first sign up for the program. There will be a number on each activity tile that represents the number of points you will get when you complete it. You can begin the point accumulation process right here. Okay, so you will see a number of activities listed below the dashboard when you initially sign up for Microsoft Rewards. You can check out all the incentives that are offered by going to Redeem area, gift cards for online stores, video games, and other things are available. Keep in mind that the incentives depend on your location. Sometimes these Microsoft rewards, they are not available to other countries. So make sure that your country is one of those who can avail this Microsoft rewards. You can even make plans to accumulate points in order to seek a specific gift card in which we can use later to avail or to get Microsoft rewards or get free Robux. So now you can open your Microsoft Store and look for Roblox. And all you have to do is to download this game to your device. Okay, so but as you can see, I have my Roblox already here. So all I have to do is to launch my Roblox application. And for those who are Roblox users or gamers, they know that they can redeem Roblox code and convert it into Robux. So here, if you can see Roblox, probably some people can search Roblox here in their Microsoft Word, and all they have to do is to redeem or get or purchase a gift card. That gift card has a code, and all you have to do is to paste it here. Okay, you have to go to Roblox redeem gift codes, and you just have to copy the codes from Microsoft redeem code and paste it here, and then convert that into Robux. So this is just a few, or this is just a few of many ways on how to get Microsoft rewards or how to get free Robux using Microsoft rewards points. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.